in terms of the data. But with that, let's move on and talk about a very important conversation that we had as well. ITC Chairman Sanjiv Puri is optimistic of better demand going forward. In conversation with my colleague Yash on the sidelines of the vibrant Gujarat Curtain Raiser event, the President Designate of the industry body CII also spoke to us about the pickup that we're seeing in private investment as well as the overall health of the Indian economy. Listen in to what he had to tell us.
As far as ITC is concerned, we commissioned 5 manufacturing facilities last year. There are 3 more in the pipeline. And when I say 3 more, these are under various stages of construction. One of them will be inaugurated within the next 12 months. So we continue to invest, and this is just an example to say investment is happening. Overall, the CII business confidence surveys also show that there is optimism. Capacity utilizations are above the 75% level, and that augurs well for fresh capacity to come in. The macros also are favorable because there have been a lot of good, purposeful policy interventions that the government has taken in the past, and there is ample liquidity. Corporate and financial sector balance sheets are better. Corporate income tax are also being rationalized over time. So all these are very conducive to investment. And the domestic economy continues to perform well. We've heard the recent reports about global institutes also acknowledging that. What is weighing on some of these sectors is certainly the global situation, where there is a significant compression of demand and, exports are under pressure. So that's really the issue that may be holding back in certain sectors. But generally, we are starting to see, the green shoots of investments and capacity utilizations are up.
One last question. As far as, we have multiple triggers lined up ahead of us. There is, of course, the large election that we have next year. Apart from that, monsoons have just gone by. What is the feedback that you're receiving in terms of monsoons, and especially in the context of that, rural demand for a company like ITC? And before elections, what does the demand scenario look like? How would that pan out?
So as far as rural situation is concerned, I think given that the monsoon was better in September, I think the situation is much better. And we are already seeing some green shoots of pickup. I think with the passage of time, with a good crop, a good harvest, I think the demand should pick up from here further. So I am optimistic. I think the festivities also should help. So I would remain certainly optimistic that over time it's going to pick up.
All right, that is ITC Sanjiv Puri sounding very optimistic on demand and how things can move from here. And understandable, right, with the festive season around us. But let's keep it with that theme now.